have to listen to me. We can't go in there. Something is waiting in the dark, and it's getting closer. Look, Mishka. Is that where the treasure is?
We have to go now! Faster!
Look over there. The mountains. Come on, Bear. Let's go. And then we'll find the treasure, Mishka. It's gonna be huge. Treasure? Where is it?
Listen closely, Masha. The woods can be dangerous if we are not careful. We must always stay together near the camp, especially...
Wow, look at that! We have to check it out. Wow, look at that bear! It's so shiny and big! Look, Bear! They are glowing! Do you think it's a treasure map? And the symbols say that only a true friend can open the gate. See, Bear? It means you!
According to this map, the crystal is just beyond the Whispering Falls. We must hurry!
Yay! Let's go! This is fun, Mishka.
Esteemed Elder, we have brought the crystal as requested. May its light guide us all through the coming trials.
Wow, I can't believe you can talk. Did you really fly all the way from the sun?
Behold the heart of the mountain. Its light shall guide us through the darkest of times, just as the legends foretold.